Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Hello, if you're new here, my name's Christina. Please hit that bell and that subscribe button for videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And throughout the Christmas months, there will be spontaneous videos. So please hit the bell so you don't miss out on all the Christmas content that I'll be bringing to you. So today we're doing the DIY Advent movie calendar. This is an absolute favourite, and I have to give it to Charlie because this was his idea. So he's got a big tick from me for this one. So what you'll need is a stocking or a sack, or just something to put the paper in, the Advent movies in. I don't know why I did that. The movies in. So I've opted for a stocking because I can hang this up in the living room, and then each day I can just go in and be like, oh, what movie I'm having today in December. So I've opted for this snowman stocking, which is really cute. So yeah, I've got that. All you'll need for this Advent calendar is, if you're going old school, a paper, pen and a pair of scissors, and that is it. If you are going electronic like I am in this video today, then you'll need a computer, Microsoft Word on your computer, paper, a printer and a pair of scissors. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First off, you want to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Then you want to go to Insert and insert a table with 3 rows across and 8 rows down. This will then make 24 tickets. Change the font accordingly. I have opted for Arial Black and the size 20, and I've made all of them middle aligned. In each section of the table, you want to add a different Christmas film. There will be 24 Christmas films in total, so you can watch a different Christmas film on each day of December. You can choose any Christmas film you like to fill in these tickets. However, these are the ones I have opted for, as these are 24 of my favourite Christmas films of all time. Once you have filled in each section of the table with your favourite Christmas films, you want to save the document whatever you feel best and where. I've just saved mine in document, and then you want to go ahead and print this off. If you have opted to do this the old-fashioned way with pen and paper, then you obviously can skip this step. Once printed, you want to cut each section of the table using the lines from the table to make each section into tickets. Then you want to fold each ticket so you can't see the Christmas film on that ticket. Once all the tickets have been folded, then you want to pop them into your Christmas stocking. When all the tickets are in the stocking, you want to give the stocking a good old shuffle and shake. This is the Christmas Advent movie calendar complete. So when it gets to the 1st of December, all you have to do is go in and pick one ticket out of the stocking, and then that will be your Christmas film for that day. You can do this up until the 24th of December, as there are 24 tickets within the stocking. Thanks for watching, guys. Please let me know if you decide to do this DIY movie advent calendar. I think it's quite fun, and especially this year because we're in lockdown, it adds a bit of a twist to movie night and it's quite fun. And yeah, I'd love to know what movies you put in your movie advent calendar for this Christmas. As you can see what I chose pretty much the standard Christmas films. So yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit me up in the comments if you tried this out. And again, don't forget to subscribe for videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and hit the bell if you want to see my spontaneous Christmas content. Thanks for watching again. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.